The selfie stick can only. Hello, Sihle, making a mess. And Sihle was not even here. He invited himself. He woke up so early because he slept early. And he woke up early. So he was sitting with Granny. They woke up early. We just woke up now. It's 8. It's around 8 a.m. There. Okay. Put this. Sihle. Sihle's making a mess. That's what he understands. You're making a mess, Papa. Making a mess. This. No, you don't. You are using it to make a mess. Yes, hi everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Ngiyabona. I see you. I see you, Sihle. I see you. I see you point to no. I see you. Yeah, our place is getting crowded. We don't have a wardrobe. I see you, Papa. I see you. You are beautiful. Okay, you are. I know. No one is on my life now. Ubabonakala yes boy. Or should we close the curtain? Hey. Hey, Papa. You're in trouble. Hey, stop it. Sihle, stop it. Papa. Stop it. Yeah, we should close the curtain.